Did you know that people living in the Mediterranean consistently rank among the healthiest in the world? This is thanks to a culinary staple. Today, we'll look into the top 5 ways olive oil positively impacts your health. Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Did you know that the average person in Greece consumes roughly 24 liters of olive oil per year? That's more than 20 times the average American consumption. Could this be a secret to their longevity and reputation for a healthy living? Let's find out. Here at Dr. Hanz MD, we're always finding ways to help you improve your health with practical solutions. Many Americans, as we all know, are concerned about heart disease, blood sugar control, and memory decline. The good news is that a simple and affordable addition to your diet might make a big difference. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil. It is the highest quality olive oil made by expressing olives. Extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed and left unrefined. It's usually stronger in flavor and darker in color than the regular olive oil. EVOO is packed with potential health benefits, so let's explore the 5 ways it positively impacts your health. Number 5, it keeps your arteries clear. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. Imagine your arteries as pipes. Over time, cholesterol, a fatty substance, can build up like plaque, narrowing these pipes and reducing blood flow. This can lead to heart attacks and strokes. A study in the prestigious Journal of American Medical Association Internal Medicine found that consuming EVOO as a part of a healthy diet can significantly lower your bad LDL cholesterol. Bad cholesterol is similar to grime that clogs up the pipes. EVOO helps clear this sticky substance. It also promotes good HDL cholesterol, which acts as a cleaner, removing the bad kind. For a healthy appetizer, drizzle some EVOO on that whole wheat toast. Top it with chopped tomatoes and fresh basil. Now enjoy a taste of the Mediterranean. Number 4, olive oil reduces inflammation. Inflammation is actually a defense mechanism that occurs when the body's immune system responds to harmful stimuli such as toxins and pathogens. But having chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, from arthritis to some cancers. The good news, EVOO is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants prevent inflammatory responses from happening when they are not required. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that a Mediterranean diet rich in EVOO led to a decrease in inflammatory markers. Lower inflammation can translate to a reduced risk of various chronic diseases. For a simple anti-inflammatory side dish, roast vegetables like broccoli or asparagus with a drizzle of EVOO and some spices like cayenne or oregano. Number 3, olive oil boosts brain power. Worried about memory decline as you age? EVOO might be your new go-to. Our brains rely on complex connections to function properly. A study in neurology followed participants over several years and found out that those who regularly consume EVOO experience a slower decline in cognitive function, which includes memory, problem-solving, and decision-making. This suggests EVOO may play a role in protecting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. For a simple brain-boosting meal, marinate your favorite grilled fish in a mixture of EVOO, lemon juice, and a dash of tarragon or thyme. Number 2, olive oil keeps blood sugar balanced. Blood sugar is one source of energy for your body. Managing blood sugar is crucial for your overall health. Constantly experiencing rapid spikes and crashes may increase your risk of diabetes and heart disease. In fact, research published in the journal Diabetes Care suggests that a Mediterranean diet high in EVOO may help regulate blood sugar level. The study found that participants who consumed EVOO experienced improved sugar control compared to those who didn't. Additionally, EVOO contains phenolic compounds that can slow carbohydrate digestion. This can lead to a more stable glycemic response. Also, EVOO is high in monounsaturated fat, which helps the body process sugars in food more easily so they can be readily used for energy. This can be especially beneficial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Dress your salad with simple vinaigrette made with EVOO, balsamic vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper, and sprinkle with your favorite herbs. This is a delicious and blood sugar friendly option. And number 1, olive oil keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Looking to manage your weight like myself? EVOO might be your secret weapon. Studies in the journal Obesity Review show that a diet rich in EVOO can promote feelings of fullness and potentially aid in weight loss efforts. Healthy fats in EVOO help you feel satisfied after eating, reducing cravings and eventual overeating. Whip up a brain-boosting morning smoothie with some spinach, berries, Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of EVOO for a healthy and delicious start to your day. There you have it, folks. 5 ways olive oil positively impacts your health. Now that you've seen how EVOO can be a powerful tool, let's talk about making the most of your investment. Here are some tips for choosing the right type of olive oil and storing it properly to ensure you're getting the most health benefits and the best flavor from EVOO. Firstly, you have to choose the right type. Look for extra virgin olive oil or EVOO. This indicates that the oil has undergone minimal processing and retains the most beneficial antioxidants and flavors. When selecting your EVOO, avoid clear bottles as light degrades the oil. Instead, opt for a dark bottle or one wrapped in protective packaging. Freshness is also important, so try to find an EVOO with a recent harvest date, preferably 1 to 2 years. Once you've chosen your EVOO, proper storage is essential to maintain its quality and health benefits. Heat is the enemy of olive oil, so store your bottle in a cool, dark place like a pantry away from the stove or the oven. Once open, make sure that the bottle is tightly sealed to prevent oxidation, which can break down the oil. EVOO's health benefits and flavor may diminish over time. To ensure freshness, aim to use your EVOO within a year of opening. Let me know what you think. Share your favorite way to use EVOO in your food preparation and leave a comment below. Join us again on another episode of Dr. Hanz MD, where you all know that will 10x your success by optimizing your health.